SCADA. Driving real-time control for smarter industries. Ever wondered how massive industries like power plants or water treatment facilities keep everything running smoothly? The answer, in short, is SCADA. Whether you're familiar with the term or not, by the end of this video, you'll understand why SCADA is essential to modern industrial operations. Alright, let's break it down. SCADA is like the brain of large-scale industrial systems. It's a technology that helps industries monitor and control physical processes remotely. Consider things like managing water distribution across an entire city or keeping the lights on in a power grid. SCADA systems gather real-time data from different parts of an operation and display it in a way that allows operators to make informed decisions quickly. Now, why is SCADA so powerful? First, it's about real-time monitoring. Let's say you're managing a power plant. SCADA constantly collects data from sensors and equipment throughout the facility, sending this information to a central system. In real time, you can see things like temperature changes, pressure levels, and machine performance. If anything is off, you'll know instantly. But SCADA doesn't just stop at monitoring, it's also about control. Imagine a pressure valve in a pipeline starts malfunctioning. Instead of sending a team out to manually adjust it, SCADA allows operators to remotely make changes like opening or closing a valve from a control room miles away. Pretty cool, right? One of the most important features of SCADA is its ability to set alarms. When the system detects that a parameter, let's say temperature, is going out of its normal range, an alarm is triggered. Operators can take immediate action to prevent breakdowns or failures. It's all about preventing disasters before they happen. So, where do we see SCADA in action? Honestly, everywhere. Power generation, oil and gas, manufacturing, water treatment plants, anywhere there's a need for continuous monitoring and quick decision-making. The beauty of SCADA systems is that they can be scaled from small setups to nationwide grids. Now, let's talk briefly about how SCADA fits into Industry 4.0 and IoT, the next generation of smart, connected industries. Today's SCADA systems can be integrated with IoT devices, allowing even more granular control and data collection. We're not just talking about monitoring machines, but predicting when they might fail through real-time analytics and remote diagnostics. This means fewer breakdowns, less downtime, and huge cost savings. Before we wrap up, here's one more key takeaway. SCADA isn't just a passive system, it's an active part of maintaining industrial safety and efficiency. Whether it's alerting operators to potential issues or allowing them to control processes from a distance, SCADA is the backbone of modern industrial automation.